Good morning, everybody. Today, we the students are here to present a seminar. And the topic of the seminar which we choose for this are website. Here we start with it. The first two topic will be explained by myself. Website. What is a website? A website is a collection of web page and related contents that are identified by a common domain name and published on a latest date web server. Notable examples are Wikipedia organization, Google.com, and Amazon.com. All publicly accessible websites collectively constitute the World Wide Web. They are also private websites and they can also be accessed on a private network, such as a company's internal website for its employees. Websites are typically dedicated to websites are typically dedicated to a particular topic or purpose, such as news, education, commerce, entertainment, or social networking. Hyperlinking between web pages guides and navigation of the sites, which often starts with a home page. Users can access websites on a range of devices, including desktops, laptops, and smartphones. The software applications used on these devices are called web browsers. Difference between websites and web pages. Websites. The website is a collection of many relatable websites linked together under one domain. URL of the website does not depend on a web page. It takes a long time to develop a complete website. Web page. A web page is a single document on the internet. The address of the URL of the web page depends on the website. It requires a minimum amount of time to develop a web page. The next topic will be explained by my friend Suhail Ahmed.
Difference between static and dynamic pages. Static pages will remain same. Static web pages are simple in terms of complexity. Static web pages takes less time to load than dynamic pages. In static pages, database is not used. In static web pages are written in languages as HTML and JavaScript, etc. Dynamic content pages are different from every visitors. Dynamic web pages are complicated. Dynamic web pages take more time to load, and dynamic is used for it takes database it used in database. Dynamic web pages are written in languages such as CGI, AJAX, and ASP.NET, etc. The next topic will be explained by my Ashwin.
Web server. A web server is a software and hardware that uses HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and other protocols to respond to client requests made over the World Wide Web. The main job of a web server is to display website content through storing, processing, and delivering web pages to the users. Web server software is accessed through the domain names of websites and ensures the delivery of the site content to the requesting user. The software side is also comprised of several components with at least an HTTP server. The HTTP server is able to understand HTTP and URLs. As hardware, a web server is a computer that stores web server software and other files related to a website, such as HTML documents, images, and JavaScript files. Web hosting. Web hosting is a service that allows organizations and individuals to post a website or web page onto the internet. A web host or web hosting service provider is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for the website or web page to be viewed in the internet. Websites are hosted or stored on special computers called servers. When internet users want to view your website, all they need to do is type your website address or domain into the browser. Their computer will then connect it to your server and your web page will be delivered to them through the browser. Most hosting companies require that you own your domain in order to host with them. The remaining will be continued by Zaim.
Plugins.
In computing, a plugin is a software component that adds a specific feature to an existing computer program. When a program supports plugin, it enables customization. So plugins are software that when installed or used helps to modify or add new functions to a host system or the system in which it is installed. It is used widely in audio, digital audio, video, and web browsing. Few examples of plugins are Adobe Flash Player, Java SE, etc. Some of the main applications support plugins for many reasons. Some of the main reasons include it enables third-party developers to create abilities which extend an application, to support easily adding new features, to reduce the size of an application, to separate source code from an application because of incompatible software licenses. So the next topic will be continued by Sujit.
An add-on is either a hardware unit that can be added to a computer to increase the capability, or a program unit that enhances the primary program. Some manufacturers and software developers use add-on. Example of add-on for a computer include card for sound, graphic acceleration, modem capability, and memory. Software add-on are common for games, word processing, and accounting. An add-on is either a hardware unit that can be added to a computer to increase the capability which enhances the primary program. Thank you to all.